going to show you how I make the porridge oats. Now, these are just ordinary porridge oats. They're not anything special, they're just the basic ones. So you can see, like, I've got a little teacup, it's not a big mug, and I filled it to about less than an inch from the top, a couple of centimetres from the top, and I'm pouring that in the pan. And then I have milk in 2 cups, exactly the same size, and I filled both with milk up to the same level as the porridge was, and I just pour those in to the pan. That's semi-skimmed milk. If you use skimmed milk, you need less milk because it's more water content, or you could use 1 cup semi-skimmed milk and then maybe 1/4 cup of water if you wanted it a bit less creamy, or if you used full fat milk, you'll find that you'll need a bit more milk, so it'll become too stodgy. Or when you've actually boiled it and it's become thicker, you might want to add cold milk or cream or something after that before you eat it. Now, some people soak this overnight and they say it makes it a better porridge in the morning. This is absolutely fine because I can decide in the morning whether I want this or not. So I'm now going to turn it on, and I will boil it until it starts to bubble. So I've prepared my bowl. I've chopped up the banana. I've actually put 1/2 teaspoon of cocoa powder and 1 teaspoon of honey in the bowl in preparation for the porridge. Now, as you can see, the porridge is now beginning to bubble, and I need to carry on boiling it until it becomes thick. Now, some people in Scotland used to put salt. So here we are, it's now bubbling, and you can see it's getting thick. And that'll be fine for me. I mean, you could boil it for longer if you wanted to, I suppose. Now I'm going to just pour that into my bowl, and it'll be delicious. A nice cup of tea, fruit tea or normal tea, sets you up for the day. Oh, I was going to say that sometimes people can use different oats, that ones that are less ground up, or maybe I think they even use sometimes oatmeal, but this is just a fine one for me.